one of the coolest projects that we've worked together on, well, that we've worked on a lot of cool projects together on, is one where there was a particle stuck in the screen of before the main engine of the shuttle. And we were concerned that if that particle got through, basically a little bit of junk got through and got stuck in the motor, it would cause all sorts of problems. And she was in charge of figuring out what that thing was. It was a lot of fun. I got to go down and crawl around inside the shuttle, look at the lines. I was really jealous, yeah. Before where the engines were, to figure out where it might be and what type of materials we might be at risk at. And I got to do a lot of really cool lab experiments, helping set up what it might be, what it might look like, how we might get in there and detect the material, what type of tools we could maybe even send up the line from the engine and detect it. And once we had our list of what materials we were worried about, then we had to actually test them. And I work at the test facility, so we do all the testing. So basically she figured out what kind of testing they needed to do, and then we did the actual testing. So we did several different tests to look at, well, if that particle got through, if it got stuck in this fluid, what would it look like? So that was a test that she requested from us. We also did a test saying, okay, well, if that piece of junk got through and it got stuck in this part, would it cause a fire there? If it got stuck there, would it ruin the way it functioned, and would it cause a fire there? I do a lot of fire stuff. So we looked at, oh, could it cause a fire in maybe several different points? And so then we gave them the data, and then they could make a decision. And as a materials engineer, then I got all the data that she provided me. I was able to look at the different materials I was worried about. I think I got the fun part, other than the crawling in the shuttle. I think I got the fun part. And then we were able to make the decision that we were going to be okay to fly, and we could send that bird up into the sky.